lovely chestnut horse there. Beautiful, and all the sheep in the background as well. Oh, this is so peaceful. There's little birds everywhere. There's a little yellow tit in that tree there, I don't know if you can see him. You can certainly hear him. Right, let's crack on, guys. Skye's down there with the nose up the heater again. And outside now it's between 0 and 1 degrees. The sun is just coming over the trees now. It's going to be a sunny day today, so it'll soon zap all this frost away. Blimey, that was a change in the temperature, that certainly was. But I think they're going back up to double figures again. I think it's just these some of these little valleys and glens, they get a bit chilly when the sun drops. Anyway, we're going to have a look outside, see what it's all about. Lovely jubbly. Good morning, guys. Warm welcome to Country Vanlife UK. And a lovely, lovely, another beautiful Galloway morning. Catch you later. Blimey, that was a cold one last night. Nice and chilly, love it. I'll just take you outside, guys. I think the lake's frozen this morning. Where are we? Scores on the door. So it's just gone 6:45 in the morning. Oh, I've been up about an hour and a half, I think. And yeah, it was a cold one last night. I've had my heater on for about an hour. Good old diesel heater, you can't beat them. Brilliant piece of kit. We've got 12 degrees in the van now. It was about 2 when I woke up this morning. Look at the window there, guys. There we go. The lake's frozen, all around the margins anyway. I don't think it was cold enough to freeze a waterfall. There might be some ice up there, but we'll have a look. Anyway, let's just go and have a look outside my van. Skye. Hello, Skye. Good morning. Good morning. A bit chilly last night, wasn't it? She jumped in bed with me about 3 o'clock this morning. Oh, there you go, guys. Waterfalls lost a lot of the water now. All the snow's melted. But it's a wee bit chilly out here. But not too bad actually. There's no wind, so we haven't got the chill factor today, as you can see. Well, the beach is frozen up. The water's gone down a bit as well. It was right up to the side of the bank last night, so it's gone down a little bit. But it's a bit icy underfoot and crispy. Morning. As you can see, most of the lake is frozen. Let's go down and have a look at the beach. Look at that, it's like sheets of glass. Lovely. Beautiful morning. Walking on the lake. Frozen solid. Oh, it's not that thick, but it was a cold one last night, guys. Whoa. Love this. There's Christine up there. Oh. Oh, what a lovely morning. I won't be able to have a wash in the lake this morning, but I'll be able to have one in the waterfall. That's not frozen. Lovely jubbly. All on my own, in the remotes, not a soul about. Beautiful. Right, get that kettle on now, shall we? Have a nice cup of tea. Can't beat a nice cup of tea and a frosty. Lovely. My eyes are watering, it's that cold. Later, guys. Peaceful, so quiet and tranquil and lovely. haven't seen a red squirrel yet. Still spring's coming, we'll find them. It's watching telly. Squirrels. Oh, it's a miserable day out there today. Another van jail, I'm afraid, for a few days. Torrential rain. You can see the burn is in space, the waterfall. And just having some lovely breakfast, lovely Scottish duck egg. Beautiful. I love these duck eggs. The yolks are absolutely delightful on them. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Just the way I like it. Scottish duck egg on a crispy tiger roll. Lovely.
Oh yeah, I'll get that.
Right. A couple of friends here, Adam and Alan, who have been parked up by the side of me for the last 3 days, doing a bit of piking. And Adam is bagging up.
Alan? Yeah. Adam is not. Come here.
Where is it? You've got another pike on, another e-socks. A nice Scottish pike.
Adam. Yeah.
I think this is his 4th one. Yeah. Skye, come here Skye, come here Skye. There you go guys, a nice Scottish pike for you. Let's just sit close to double figures. I think might be just below double. He's caught 4. Where's his mates caught out? There's Christine up there guys. These guys are having one more night tonight. They're just camped here on the shores of the Loch. Loch Ken here. We'll have a look at this nice little pike. That's 4-0. Oh, he might get double figures.
It's all about the same size, aren't we? 9-10 pounds.
What's that Skye? What's that Skye? What's that? Look at that. A lovely Loch Ken Scottish pike. Here we go. Leave these guys to safely unhook that. It's glorious out here today. It's quite mild today as well. It's a lovely day. I've got a nice campfire going as well. Lovely jubbly on the Loch side, doing a bit of fishing. Let's get a bit closer.
Yay!
A bit closer. Let's go.
Oh, that's the dust.
Back in she goes to fight another day. Just hold her there for a steady, just let her get her bearings. Make sure she's sitting up all right, and away there she goes.
There you go.
She goes in the water, guys. She's coming back in here.
Sweet.
Where you going, fella? Where you going, fella? There he goes. Lovely jubbly. Well done, guys. Oh, I think we've got some bloody rain coming in. Yeah, it's had those 2 lovely chaps. I called them Alcoholics Anonymous. Their both name was begin with A. I called them Alcoholics Anonymous. The reason I called them Alcoholics Anonymous because when they first came, because I was here for a couple of days with me, lovely, and I speak to them every morning. They were pike fishing, a couple of legs pike fishing. They fished the Loch Ken system quite a bit. And they were pike fishing, so it was really interesting watching them. They were catching some pike as well, not too big, you know, double figured pike. I'll show you the one video, guys. Yeah, lovely. So Alcoholics Anonymous, I called them. The reason I called them that because the second night they was here, I went over to them. I said, do you want anything from the shops? Because I was going up to the village to get a few supplies. Well, the bloody rain's coming down. Still trying to film these bloody red kites, trying to train them to come into filming. Anyway, the reason I called them Alcoholics Anonymous, obviously because both their names begin with lovely chaps. Yeah, I said, do you want anything from the shops? And I thought they said I thought they'd say they wanted some bread or some butter or something or some water. And they said no, just a litre of whiskey. Oh God, my type of guys. Yeah, so it was lovely meeting them, and of course the night fish. Anyway, they left this morning. They've gone now. So good luck to you two guys, and I'll put your video up. Make you famous with your pike. Well done. 4-0 as well. 4-0. He got thrashed. Never mind. It goes like that sometimes in fishing. Anyway, someone else has just turned up, and Manuel and Mia, Spanish couple. I think they're on Instagram. Is it I'm Explorer Scotland on Instagram? So links are down below, guys, if you want to check them out. And they're a lovely couple as well, Spanish couple. They're touring around. I'm not sure they live in the van. I think they're just touring. And they've just come to camp by the side of me, and the rain's absolutely pissing it down now. So they're a lovely couple. He said he might have a campfire tonight, and we'll have a few beers tonight, so that'd be nice. So hello, Manuel and Mia. Lovely to meet you both. And oh, come on, kites. You want to get these kites in and get some nice bloody close. I want to do some photography and some filming of them. But the rain's come in now, and my bait's bloody scattered about again, so it looks like it's going to be another night waiting for them. We'll come back another time. Been here a few times with this camp, guys, trying to do this video. I'll get it bloody done if it bloody well kills me. Get these close-ups of these kites. Beautiful birds, especially close up with all the fantastic colours on them, guys. Hopefully I'll get some blue images before I finish my wintering up here. Oh, people say, why don't you go up to the feeding station, Steve? You get some nice shots up there. I don't want to do that. I want to do it in the wild. Makes it that more special when you catch them in the wild. Lovely big boat out there fishing. God, you must be soaking wet out there in the middle of the loch fishing. Anyway, guys, catch you later. That's the company I've had the last couple of days. Lovely. It's raining again. Oh no, it's raining again. Oh my, I'm losing my mind. It's bloody raining again. Oh no, it's raining again. Vanpal again, Skye. Vanpal again. This is real van life. It's raining again. Oh, shut up, Stephen. No, I've not had an accident. I'm not bleeding. That's my Scots potato scone with jam and butter. It's bloody delicious. Wow. You can have them savoury or sweet. Scotch potato scones. Lovely. Right, guys, it's a bit of a overcast, gloomy day. There are some blue spells up there. But we're going to go up this trail, see where it leads, see where the waterfall leads. But I've looked on Google Maps. This river burn goes for quite some way. It develops in the top of the hill. Doesn't come from a loch. It just develops from the hill. Well, we're going to have a look, guys, see what it's all about. It's beautiful up here. It's Christine, just the other side of the stone bridge. Lovely jubbly. And we're going to climb up here, guys. The river's gone down a little bit since the snows and the rain. It's still flowing quite well, but it's not in full space as it was yesterday. And we're going up there with my dog, if she don't kill me and pull me down. We're going right to the top of there. Let's go and have a look, eh? Just look at the lichen here in all the rainforest. How stunning is that? It's like something from the Lost World. Something from the Raiders of the Lost Ark or whatever, I don't know. How epic, eh? Beautiful. Wow. It's getting hard going now. Clambering across these slippy lichen filled rocks. Waterfall continues up there. This beautiful Skye. My lady, my lovely girl. We've come from all the way down there, guys. See Christine down there through the trees. And Loch Ken. Beautiful. Oh, I'm taking a breather, I'm out of breath. But how stunning is this, eh, Skye? Don't you pull daddy down. Very sleepy up here, sugar. A lovely coat, she's looking really healthy. She thinks so. She gets better fed than I do. I look after my little girl, my little van pooch Skye. I know all you guys love her as well. She's beautiful. Lovely Vanpal. Bonkers. Absolutely crazy. What a beautiful place. Well, we're struggling to get through here. It's a bit tough to get past that wall. I might have to go to the other side of the wall and meet the burn further up. But, I wonder what this place is like in a good downfall when it's completely in flood. But all these rocks are covered in water when the flood's on. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Come all the way up and down there. Beautiful. We love Scotland. We love Galloway. Right up in the forest now, and the snow starts to come down, guys. So it's going to start raining as well. So I think we'll get back. I can't get through all that. There's loads of fallen trees. Skye won't go through that. It's too dangerous for her. So I think we'll make our way back down. It's a long way down there. Been walking for about half an hour. We're right up in the forest at the moment. You can see the snow's coming down now, guys. So best get back to the van, I think. Might try it another day. Beautiful. I've got Skye with me. A bit too risky for her up there in those logs. She might crack a paw or her ankle or something. But that was glorious. Walked all the way to the top, as far as we could with Skye. And it's snowing and it's bloody freezing. My hands are like ice. Oh, it's getting Christine. Get kettle on, mother. Lovely. Later, guys. Right, tonight's dinner, just turn the kettle off. Kettle's on, mother. Tonight's dinner is egg and chips. Lovely. Van Tucker favourite. Can't beat egg and chips, can you? What I do, I buy roast potatoes and I use them all sorts of ways, and they're already cooked, and if you want roast potatoes in the oven, lovely jubbly. But if you want chips, just slice them up like that in a light oil in the pan. Got some oil in the pan, not too much guys, lovely jubbly, and just fry them away and throw a couple of eggs on top. Egg and chips in the van. Probably one of the best van tuckers out there. Lovely. Lovely. Egg and chips, lashings of salt and vinegar, and perhaps some red sauce as well. And a buttered roll and a cup of Yorkshire. Kettle's on, mother. Lovely. Well, what a gorgeous morning. Gorgeous spring morning. It's about 7:30 in the morning, guys. Here down at another camp, Loch side. Loch Ken again. There's loads of camp down Loch Ken, guys. Either bank. It's quite a large loch, part of the hydro system running through Galloway. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Placid, calm, dead still morning. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. There's Skye down there somewhere. She's up there. Oh, what a lovely morning. I might have some breakfast on the beach here, Loch side. Beautiful. Well, it's another winter we've got through. We've probably still got some cold weather coming. Absolutely beautiful. The daffodils are out, snowdrops, the birds are singing. There's lots of activity now. Everything's starting to wake up. Everything's starting to come alive again. I believe the spring, guys, is the true new year to me. Being a Vanlifer out here in nature all the time. This is my new year. This is where the new year begins. Spring. You know, instead of the conventional new year, January the 1st. To me, this is new year, the spring, because everything's coming alive, everything's being born. All the trees are starting to get their summer dresses and the buds are coming out, the birds are singing, they're all mating up. The lambs are being born, everything's coming alive. To me, spring. It's a true new year, I think. Beautiful. What a stunning morning. It's not too cold either. Bit of a chill, but we've got some sun on our face, a little bit of warmth. Beautiful. Skye up there having a mooch. Right, see what we're going to do today, guys. It's going to be sunny all day today. Lovely. And the rain and the cold's coming back in, I think. But beautiful. Look at those beautiful hills over there at Galloway. That's New Galloway that way, guys. Stunning. It's a cracking park up as well, nice and level, all gravel. There's loads of park ups like this in the forest, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Sadly, there is no signals here at all. Well, not for me anyway, not with my cheap router systems. So I've got no signal here at all. So, you know, I'd happily sit here for a week, guys. I'd happily camp here for a week. Absolutely stunning. But I may stay here for one night, I don't know yet. I'll just take you down there quickly and have a look at the viewing platform, but sadly it's shut at the moment. I think they're doing some repairs on it. There it is, overlooking the glen. Beautiful. There's all love locks. Love locks on the end of the fence there. Can you see them all? All love locks to sweethearts. I've left a few of those around the wheel to Christine. There's one or two of my locks knocking about around the planet that I've put down for Christine. As you can see, it's all shut off at the moment, guys. It's all blocked off, danger, unsafe. Which is a shame, because we could have a look at the waterfall from off that platform. There we go, guys. Stretching over the waterfall, which is down there. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning, stunning Galloway. This is called Grey Mare's Tail Burn. Beautiful it is. And up the top of the hill there, proudly set in, is the massive monument, Murray's Monument up there, guys. We're going to have a look at the Grey Mare's Burn Tail, Grey Mare's Tail Burn Waterfall, which is just behind me. There it is, guys, the Grey Mare's Tail. Lovely little waterfall here in the Galloway National Park Forest. Let's try and get a bit closer, shall we? That's the Grey Mare's Tail. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful, absolutely stunning.